We are here at Perth Museum, where we have an ongoing relationship with the University of Stirling to host their heritage students for work placements here and at our sister venue, Perth Art Gallery. We hosted 3 different placements across our venues. The students really enjoyed working as part of a team and expanding their professional networks. They learned how to work in a real museum and gallery environment. They also learned more about visitor behavior and how to interact with the public. And they also gained skills in how to look after a museum or gallery collection, all really useful and valuable skills for students wanting to enter the heritage sector. The experience of hosting students was really valuable and mutually beneficial to both us and to the student. We were really impressed by their enthusiasm, their passion, and the quality of their work. They also bring a new perspective and they bring more specialist skills because of their degree. I would definitely recommend other organizations considering hosting a placement.